Aaliyah and Mitch presents Cooking 101, how to poach some eggs. Recently I had a follower ask me how do you poach eggs. I decided I'd make a good video, so let's go. You're gonna need a couple things: pan, water, salt, eggs, vinegar, and a ramekin. Crack your egg on a flat surface to put any egg shards into your egg and place it in the ramekin. There's two reasons to use ramekin. The first one is, if you have a broken yolk, get a new egg, because you can't poach an egg with a broken yolk. And two, when you drop it in the water, you don't splash yourself. Or, if you're feeling fancy and want to make a prettier poached egg, you can do this step, which is you take a strainer, dump the egg in there, and you shake all that excess white out that you don't need. Is this necessary? No, it's not. It makes more dishes, it's more steps. But if you really care how pretty the egg looks, you can do this. I don't normally do this, I just wanted to show you how to do it. But once again, make sure you put it into a ramekin. Enough with all the breaking of the eggs. How about poaching of the eggs? Get your water in your pot, set your burn to medium-high heat, and bring to a gentle simmer. I like to start off hot, then back off. It's less time. If you're not feeling confident, just set it to medium and wait a little bit longer to bring it to a gentle simmer. Add salt and vinegar. Some people disagree about the vinegar. They can, but I've done it both ways, and I think the vinegar really helps. It helps the white, and it doesn't taste like vinegar at all. Now, this is why you want the ramekin. The ramekin helps you place it in the water without splashing, and nobody likes to be burnt. Well, almost nobody. Now, the other secret star of this show is the slotted spoon. Will it make an appearance? There it is. You need a slotted spoon to poach eggs. Please don't try this without a slotted spoon. There's a shot of my lovely forearm, and here's the second egg that I whisked the white away. See how much prettier that is? How better that looks? But that's on you, really. I start checking my eggs around the 2-minute mark. They usually aren't done, but I'd rather be safe than hard-boiled. As you can see, there's still uncooked white left. These aren't done, so you place them in for about another 30 seconds. Do not walk away. You can have a soft poached egg 1 second and a hard-boiled egg without you realizing it. So keep a vigilant eye on your pot, please. That floating around egg white you can discard or you can keep. It's really up to you. For some reason, it was bothering me today, so I got rid of it. You don't have to. Now, how can you tell if it's actually done? You give it the poke and the wiggle test. See, when you jiggle it, you see a little bit of movement. That means they're done. And I poked it because I want some resistance, but not too much. Make sure you put it on a paper towel to whisk away the excess moisture, because nobody's trying to eat poached eggs in a pool of water. Pretty sure that's not good eats. Is that copyrighted? Anyway, what are you going to do with these poached eggs? Well, you could fry some toast in bacon fat, and then you could have that bacon you used for the bacon fat, and then you could place the egg on top of the toast. I'm just spitballing here. Now you'll see the visual difference between the first egg, which I whisked the egg white away, and the second egg, which I didn't. One looks definitely prettier. It's better on the eyes. But here's a little secret, they both taste the same. And unless you're serving to impress, you don't need to do the extra step. It's up to you. Now, this is where you can season them: salt and pepper, cayenne, mustard powder, whatever you're feeling, you can do. It's your call, really. I just use salt and pepper, and there you go. 2 perfectly poached eggs on a piece of toast with some bacon. Simple breakfast and delicious. Now, I know what you're thinking. You want me to do it. I'm not going to do it. It's overdone. It's cliche. Fine, I'll do it. I will break the yolk. Here we go. Gratuitous yolk shot for your viewing pleasure. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed what you watched. See that poaching eggs isn't that difficult. Give a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Until next time, remember, an extra 10% makes a 100% difference. Keep on cooking.